6 Illinois correctional officers say the state is no longer protecting prison staff from violent inmates. The Lincoln Correctional Center union president says administrative budget decisions played a role in one of their officers being nearly beaten to death. News Channel 20's Brendan Cullerton in studio now with their concerns.
Stacy, Union President Sean Dawson says an inmate punched a 30-year-old female officer to the ground and continuously stomped on her head before another officer was able to intervene. She was sent to the hospital to look for a dislocated jaw. We're told x-rays came back negative. Dawson says violent incidents toward officers and inmates are the highest at the facility in his 16 years there. And he says around the same time an officer was hospitalized, one inmate attempted to murder another by strangling them with an extension cord. A big problem, he says, is that mental facilities are shutting down and those patients are going into regular prisons. But he thinks prisons lack the required staff to handle that many mentally ill. Dawson says state facilities are moving toward less punishment for infractions, especially for mentally ill inmates, which is causing inmates not to listen to officers. Now, the Department of Corrections disagreed with that, saying that their updated mental health policies have not taken away the ability to discipline, but do make sure mentally ill are treated fairly when considering their condition. The department also says the budget crisis has not affected their ability to hire. They say they've hired more than 170 officers during the last 2 years combined, and they plan to add 60 mental health workers this year. John?